बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। प्यारे बच्चों, अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। अस परान how it was proved that whether it is a DNA or proteins that acts as genetic material, यानी इस क्रोमोसोम that very chromosome contains genes which gets inherited from parent to offsprings, and these genes, they are located on these chromosomes at a specific loci. Since we know that chromosome is made up of two basic components, that is, inside you have a DNA molecule and outside you have a protein coat in the form of capsid. Now question arises whether it is a protein or DNA that acts as genetic material. To answer this question, a number of experiments were conducted by different biologists from time to time. Some of the important experiments that proved that it is the nucleic acids, especially DNA, that acts as genetic material and transmits information from parents to offsprings. The first experiment among them was conducted by Frederick Griffith in 1928 while experimenting on a bacterium, that is Streptococcus pneumoniae, previously known as Diplococcus pneumoniae. It is the bacterium that causes pneumonia in animals and human beings. And Frederick Griffith, he found two strains of this bacteria. First strain found two strands of this bacteria. That is, first strain is sumo strain. Sumo strains, that is third S type strains, or we can say these are virulent types of bacteria which causes pneumonia in animals and human beings. The smoothness is due to presence of polysaccharide capsule outside the bacterial cell wall, and those bacteria which have polysaccharide capsule, they are not easily engulfed by phagocytes present in our blood, and in turn cause the death of mice, or in turn cause pneumonia in animals and human beings. And second type of strain that Frederick Griffith found in this bacterium, that is a rough strain, second R, and due to absence of polysaccharide capsule, they are non-capsulated. They can be easily engulfed by phagocytes through the process of phagocytosis and thus are avirulent. That means they don't cause any type of disease in animals and human beings. And Frederick Griffith did number of experiments so as to prove transforming principle. The first experiment, first we will learn something about this bacteria. Evidence of DNA as genetic material. In 1928, Frederick Gripp performed experiments using several different strains of bacterium Streptococcus pneumoniae. He used virulent, that is, those bacteria which cause pneumonia, especially in humans and mice, that is third S type, or we can say SUMO type bacteria, and second type you have avirulent strains, that is second R, or we can say rough type strains. And Frederick Griffith found that virulence is a property that is related to the polysaccharide capsule of the bacterium. That means those bacteria which are capsulated, they cause disease, whereas those bacteria that lacks this polysaccharide capsule, they are avirulent and don't cause any type of disease. Virulent strains contain the capsule, whereas avirulent strains do not. And another point is non-capsulated bacteria, avirulent type rough colonies, are readily engulfed and destroyed by phagocytes in the host circulatory system through the process of phagocytosis, cell engulfing process. Encapsulated means capsulated type of bacteria which are virulent and form smooth colonies due to presence of polysaccharide capsule. They are not easily engulfed by phagocytes and able to multiply and cause pneumonia in mice and human beings. In another one, heat-killed virulent bacteria do not kill mice. That means when virulent type of bacteria, S type of bacteria, they are heat-killed, as was the case with living virulent bacteria. That means ییٚتٮ۪ن چھُ وَنان یِم ہسا ہیٹ کِلڈ virulent bacteria چھِ آسان یعنی تِم virulent bacteria تِم S type bacteria اگر أسۍ یِم ہیٹ کرو أکِس ٹیسٹ ٹیوٗبَس منٛز یُس نیٚبرۍ کِنۍ polysaccharide capsule چھُ آسان یہِ polysaccharide capsule چھُ ؤسۍ پیٚوان ایز ویل ایز سُہ protein part چھُ آسان because یِم protein چھِ آسان protein چھِ کران they maintain their conformation, they maintain their shape, they maintain their function even up to a temperature of 40 degrees centigrade. After that, the proteins get degraded. If we raise the temperature, the proteins get degraded and the shape of the proteins also gets destroyed. Yani ییٚلہِ أسۍ یِم bacteria چھِ أسۍ heat کران اَتھ چھُ polysaccharide capsule ؤسۍ پیٚوان as well as protein part چھُ سُہ تہِ چھُ destroy گژھان because protein چھِ آسان stable at 37 degree temperature. تَوَے body temperature چھُ آسان in case of human beings that is 37 degree centigrade, where all the proteins and enzymes function properly. تَوَے ییٚمہِ ساتہٕ کٲنٛسہِ تَپھ چھِ کھسان ییٚمہِ ساتہٕ body temperature increase چھُ گژھان ییٚلہِ زیادٕ increase گژھِ 40 above गछि पत छ डॉक्टर अम्स एडवाइस करान कि अम्स करियो सा आब दज so as to decrease its body temperature, so as to reduce its body temperature क्या अगर सा body temperature increase go proteins गसन destabilize, proteins गसन degrade, and all enzymes are proteins, and when proteins are degraded enzymes are also degraded, which in turn तम्स क्या गस कम सारे function गसन disturb and in turn cause the death of an organism. बट अम सात निवान इन केस ऑफ हीट किलर एस टाइप बैक्टीरिया हीट दिवान थोड़ा इन पॉलीसेकेराइड कैप्सूल वस पेवान एज वेल एज प्रोटीन पार्ट डिट्योरेट गसान या डिग्रेड गसान तो अत रोजान खाली इनसाइड डीएनए मॉलिक्यूल इस वन अत फंक्शनल रोजान अम पतन फ्रेडरिक ग्रिफ्ट 4 एक्सपेरिमेंट करान यम बह step by step how, one by one how, so as to prove transform kus. In the first experiment, going experiment kya chu? That is Griffith's transformation experiment. First S strain is encapsulated and virulent. It is smooth type आसान चूंकि इन नबर पॉलीसेकेराइड कैप्सूल and when this type of bacteria are injected into mice, after some days mice develop pneumonia and in turn cause the death of mice. And in second experiment, Frederick Griffith loaded these R type of bacteria, means non-capsulated bacteria, non-virulent type, in a syringe and inject them into mice. Since this type of bacteria, they can be easily engulfed by phagocytes as they don't cause any type of disease. That's why mice survives. In the third case, इस S type bacteria आसान अत थोड़ा हीट दिवान ये सत कैप्सूल वुश पेवान पत हीट किलर S type bacteria inject करा into mice and again there is no disease, the mice survives. But in the fourth experiment, that's very critical experiment for Griffith as well as for we people, wherein heat killer S type strain they are mixed with R type, that is non-capsulated non-virulent type. These two are mixed together in a test tube and them loaded them in a syringe, then inject them into mice. After some days mice develops disease that is beyond our expectations and beyond expectations of Frederick Griffith, because separately both are non-pathogenic, but when mixed together they become pathogenic and in turn cause the death of mice. And when Frederick Griffith took the blood sample from this died mice, he found some live S-type bacteria and he gets surprised how S-type bacteria are found in this died mouse and what is the reason behind this death and how this transformation occurs and what causes the transformation. Regarding these questions, this again the same experiment. This is smooth colony, third S type, leaving third S virulent type. Inject them into mice. It is used as a control. Mouse dies. Rough colony, that is second R, leaving second R virulent type. Inject them into mice. Mouse lives, yeah, mouse survives. In the third type, you have a heat killer third S type of bacteria. inject them into mice, mouse survives. But in the fourth one, that's very critical experiment, wherein there is a mixing of living second R type and heat killer third S type, and inject them into mice, mouse dies, and the tissues or blood were analyzed, and from the tissues and blood of died mice, Frederick Griffith found living third S type of virulent bacteria. That means from the transform experiment, it was revealed that inject mice with living virulent cells, means second R plus heat killer virulent cells, third S, expected the injection not to kill the mice. Expect ओस यह करान कि यम जन हसा करान चूंकि अलग अलग कोर यमो डिजीज काज कह तो यकोटे क्या करने डिजीज काज कहें तो अत गोस बीस माउस यह गोस सर्वाइव कर बट आफ्टर 5 days mice injected with both types of cells died, but control mice injected with virulent second R cells alone remained healthy and alive. Blood analysis of died mice revealed a large number of living third S, means smoke type of bacteria similar to the original strain used for the preparation of heat killer S cells. That means yes, heat killer S type bano yim original type तो mice sim blood मज आय तिमै original type अथ Griffiths आय अथ तो अत क्या द्राव analysis, therefore heat killer virulent third S cells were responsible for converting avirulent second R cells into virulent third cells, which proposed that there might be some transforming principle, that is part of the polysaccharide capsule or some compound required for capsule synthesis. Means kustan cheez neran heat killer S type bacteria homozan, which cause the conversion of R type bacteria into S type bacteria, which cause the conversion of second R virulent types into third S virulent type, and this transforming principle was later on confirmed by Avery's group and Hershey and Chase. Other scientists, Henry Dawson and others, subsequently tested the transforming principle in vitro. That means yimko test tubes maz yim zara yikotai to pat kya wuchuk. That means yimo wuch be the transformation gasan R type gasan convert into S type. That means body of mice is not necessary. यानी अत माइस बॉडी जरूरी कह नबर कन टेस्ट ट्यूबस मज मिक्स कर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हावान. दैट मीन्स ट्रांसफॉर्म मीन्स कन्वर्शन ऑफ वन फार्म इनटू अदर फार्म या चेंज ऑफ वन फार्म इनटू अदर फार्म. अत पत कन ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन पम क्या बैकग्राउंड सो यह स्लाइडस मज. ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन occurs in number of steps. First step is uptake of DNA. Bacteria must have cells, which competent cells, which can uptake DNA from other cells, and that's called as competence. Competence is a process yet must can bacterial cells be DNA uptake karan to the process of competence. Yet much godan is bacterial cell under bacterial DNA in the form of nucleoid. It is circular DNA. The never can DNA. For example, it's a bacterial cell of R type bacteria and it's a DNA of S type bacteria. It's a bacterial cell ability it's uptake DNA. Quorum uptake DNA both inside the bacterial cell. अम पे रिकॉम्बिनेशन अत क्रॉसिंग और गसान विद द बैक्टीरियल DNA एंड दैट वेरी फ्रेगमेंट क्रॉसिंग और गई अम बन नई बैक्टीरिया विच आर रिकॉम्बिनेंट्स विच कंटेन दैट वेरी DNA उस अपटेक कोर अम and if this DNA contain genes necessary for the synthesis of polysaccharide capsule and ये सेल बने नो बैक्टीरियल सेल बने अत मज आई अंदर DNA मज जीन and that very gene gets expressed in the form of polysaccharide capsule. That's why we found Frederick Griffith found live S-type bacteria car when he mixed R-type bacteria with S-type bacteria. Sorry, heat killer S-type bacteria. Go it was DNA from heat killer S-type bacteria that converts because so under so go uptake inside the bacterial R-type cells that got them transformation and converts this R-type cells into R-type bacteria into live S-type bacteria due to presence of that very gene which is responsible for the synthesis of that very polysaccharide outside the bacterial cell wall. That's why you item live type and in turn cause the death of mice. You can see in this is a transformation of Bacillus subtilis. It contains competent cells. First you have a recipient DNA and outside you have a double-stranded donor DNA. Then in the second case, one strand of donor DNA enters as the other gets degraded. That means out of two strands, only one strand gets uptaken. So we under inside the bacterial cell. I'm pat kariye bacterial DNAs sitin kya recombination crossing over. For example, tatmo chais gene A to A means atmo allele z A small a. At gay neber kanat ralio bag DNA formation of triple strand. At gay satin crossing over. That means D recombination strand displacement by double crossovers. At क्या गस कम at यस नेबरिम जीन सह गस insert हुत alleles सितन. That means chromosome यस bacterial DNA nucleoid it is with segment A positive means athav allele kame athav allele nebri DNA pattern ये वनो heteroduplex. That means this also A to A small a positive and this small a positive if this gene gets expressed it form that very particular trait, it form that very particular phenotype and at गई replication and replication गई means duplication गई चूँकि कापी बनत तथ parent type मगर ब्या कापी बनत that contain this new type that is small a positive ये बनो transformant because it undergoes transformation. It is non-transformant because it don't undergo transformation. क्या ये अंदरिम strand. That means at यम strand यम गए अलग during DNA synthesis DNA replication strand at रलियो no DNA नेबर कन सत ये बनो transformant इस प्रोन DNA at रलियो पन DNA सत ये बनो non-transformant. That means out of two cells one cell बने transformant अंदर बने non-transformant and that will transform क्या कर कौन ये कर अमे जीनुक protein express अमे जीनुक character गस express and character आई गस express which in turn form that very particular phenotype. इंशाल्लाह छ मे उम्मीद तो आस थोड़ा क्वेश्चन समझ आमुत तो दिव इजाज़त दिव खुदा सवाल अस्सलाम वालेकुम व रहमतुल्लाह.